Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily enable or disable sleep timer on your HISENSE TV. So first go over to settings. Now in those settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see the system. Here, go over to the timer settings, and here we will have the sleep timer. Now it's disabled, but if we use our arrows to scroll down, here we can change it up to 120 minutes by default settings, and here we can also select the user defined. So here we can enter it just like that, like 25 minutes, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.